Hmm. Good morning, everyone. We will start the morning call. US markets extended their rally yesterday and were up 1% as most market participants expect that the declining US inflation will mean that Fed will not increase interest rates further. S&P 500 had its strongest close since August, and Nasdaq 100 hit a 22-month high. US 10-year yields have fallen to around 4.4%. Asian markets are also up around 0.5% this morning. Japanese index Nikkei is at a 3-decade high. Brent crude is stable at $82, and Indian rupee depreciated 8 paise and is close to its all-time lowest level of 83.35 against the dollar. I will now invite the technical team to take the call forward.
Yeah, thank you, Jihan. Good morning, all of you. This is Swati. Today, the market is likely to open on a positive note, and we're likely to witness some positive momentum during a day. Yesterday, we seen that the Nifty managed to maintain the support of 19,650 levels on the closing basis, which gives some sort of a relief sign. Today, looking towards the Asian markets, we believe that our rally, this kind of a rally, is likely to be carried forward towards 19,750. Any move above that level, we expect to see the further upside towards 19,800 to 19,840 levels on the higher side. Whereas on downside, as I said, 19,650 will act as a crucial support levels. If it's breaks that level, then 19,600, 19,570 levels can be seen on the lower sides. The overall market setup is looks really good. So one should hold their long positions as long as Nifty sustains upon 19,600 levels on the closing basis. Coming towards the Bank Nifty, if you look towards the chart of the Bank Nifty has somehow manages to maintain the closing above 43,700 levels, which is a positive indication on the technical front. For today intraday purpose, 43,900 is the immediate resistance levels. Any move about that level, we expect a positive momentum towards 44,100 to 44,300 levels on the higher side. Whereas on the downside, the support is listed at 43,570 and 43,340 levels. The view is positive on both the indices as long as they maintain their support levels. Coming towards the Fin Nifty, 19,640, 19,700 are the two crucial resistance level we need to keep eye on it, whereas the support is placed at 19,520 and 19,470 levels. Now the stock specific in this tower looks really good on the technical charts. This particular counter yesterday we have given a buy call. The stock has trading above all the important moving averages, trading in the formation of higher tops, higher bottoms. So we believe this stock will really do very good in the coming few trading sessions. We believe that the 200 levels can be seen. So one can take a long position at the current market price. Stop loss can be kept at 186 for immediate target of 200. That's it from my end. I request Amit to take a call forward.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, everyone. So on the derivatives front, as you're witnessing that on the OI front, the positions are quietly being on the range bound front because we are seeing that on the monthly basis at 19,800, there is a highest call writer positions where almost around 15 million positions of call writer is being added around 19,800 level. So once Nifty gets a clearance of 19,800 level on the closing basis, then you might see the liquidation to get shifted on the down upside towards the 20,000 to 20,200 level. But on the downside, we are still seeing that the base has been created. The positions which we are seeing that the one Nifty, the profit booking which is coming in Nifty from last 2 to 3 trading sessions, but the positions on the downside of put writers is not getting liquidated or not getting shifted on the either side. So we are expecting that the market momentum will be range bound, but from the supportive buying will be witnessed in coming trading sessions. So hold along positions with the support of 19,550 to 19,500 level. Once if Nifty goes below 19,500 level, then only we might witness some profit booking or sell off from that zone. But till the time it's not breaking, we will expect the market trend to be on the positive side because If you look at the major indices of Nifty Pharma, Nifty Midcap Index, all are making a new highs. So we expect the support from those indices to be given to the Nifty and Bank Nifty also. So hold the long positions. The market tends to be on the positive front. While on the stock specific front, we expect HCL Tech looks positive. We have given a recommendation also on HCL Tech. Another counter which looks positive is Coal India looks positive. While on the short covering front, SBI Card and Oberoi Realty. These two counters have shown some short covering session in yesterday session. So we expect the fresh buying will be initiated in today's session. So you can create new long positions in SBI Card and Oberoi Realty. So that's it from the relative front. Thank you.
Vascon Engineering received an order from Pune Municipal Corporation to construct a hospital building worth 356 crores. So this is positive. One IPO will be opening today. IREDA, that is Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency. And it will close on 23rd, that is Thursday. We have given subscribe rating. The total issue size is 2150 crores, constituting 860 crores of OFS and almost 1300 crores of fresh issue. IREDA is a government-owned NBFC, very similar to PFC and REC, but the only difference is that its entire loan book is from renewable energy space, that is solar, wind, hydro, biomass, etc. Whereas in case of PFC and REC, if we see, renewable energy forms barely 6 to 7% of total loan book, and majority of their loan book comes from conventional energy transmission and distribution and loans to state electricity boards. This is the reason that as on Q2, if we compare the loan growth, IREDA is growing at 40%, whereas PFC, REC are growing at 20%. Newer technologies like green hydrogen, battery storage, offshore wind plants, and green energy corridor will provide further growth impetus to IREDA. Also, the loan book size of IREDA is 1/10 of the size of PFC and REC. Loan book is at just 47,000 crores. Asset quality performance of the company has been very similar to that of PFC REC over last 5 years, and there is no concern on that front as of now. One of the negative points that we noticed is that the return ratios are slightly lower than PFC and REC. ROA for IREDA was at 2% last year versus 2.6% for PFC REC. Similarly, ROE was at 15% versus 20% for PFC REC. We think that lower return ratios are compensated by the higher underlying growth in the business and the opportunity size, as 100% of loan book is from renewables. Thus, we find the company attractive at a valuation of just 1.1 times price to book compared to PFC REC, who are trading at 1.4 to 1.5 times. So we expect good gains on listing, and all should apply for this IPO. Thank you.
Good morning. Tech Mahindra America signed a collaboration deal with Neom Tech for providing digital services. It will incorporate a new subsidiary for providing product and platform development services to Neom Group companies. This is neutral to the company. Thank you.
Yeah, commodities team can take over.
Yeah, thank you very much, Jian. Good morning, everyone. So yesterday we witnessed some profit taking in gold and silver, but it recovered from the lows, and we are expecting the moment to trade. The commodity to trade in a positive zone. So buying around 60,750 to 800 is recommended in gold, and maintain a stop loss of 60,550. On upside again, 61, 200, 300 is the area where one can take profits. Silver also, we are expecting prices to test 73,500 to 74,000. So buying on dips is recommended in silver, and maintain a stop loss of 72,000. In crude oil, there could be some profit taking till 64.50. So for trading purpose, one can initiate a sell from sell with a stop loss of 65.80. And again on downside 64.50, 64.30, one can buy for a pullback. and maintaining a stop loss of 63.70. In natural gas, prices are consolidating and holding the support of 238. So as long as it is holding 238, one can buy with a stop loss of 230. On upside 250 to 55, one can take profits. In metal front, copper is witnessing a positive move and breakout above 715. So buying in the range of 715 to 13 is recommended. And on upside, we are expecting 728, 730 levels. So buying on dips in copper is recommended. Zinc also prices are holding to 27 support area, and we are expecting prices to test to 232. So similarly, buying momentum should continue. So buying on dips and maintaining a stop loss of 225 is recommended. That's it from me. I'll ask Utkarsh to take the call forward.
Thank you, sir. Very good morning, all of you. For today's trading session in USD we are expecting some sideways momentum. So one can initiate a short position in the range of 83.38 to 83.40 levels with a stop loss of 83.52 levels with a target of 83.25 and 83.22 levels. In GBP INR, one can initiate a long positions within a range of 104.22 to 104.15 levels with a stop loss of 103.76 for the target of 104.67 and 104.80 levels. In Euro INR, one can initiate a long positions in the range of 91.24 to 91.29 levels with a stop loss of 90.84 for the target of 91.75 and 91.80 levels. Thank you.